In today's video, I am going to show you how you can unban your phone number on WhatsApp. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So sometimes what happens is that due to spam, WhatsApp bans your phone number, and after that you are not allowed to use WhatsApp using the same phone number. So in order to solve that problem, what you have to do is to open your internet browser, click on the search bar, and in the search bar type whatsapp.com, click on search, scroll down to the end, and then click on this contact us option. Click on contact us, scroll down. Now you will be required to fill out this form. So first enter your phone number, then enter your email address, and after that confirm your email address again. Scroll down and select the device on which you are using WhatsApp. I'll select Android. Then again scroll down. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to be very honest and tell them why your phone number was banned. And once you have stated down the issue, all you have to do is to click on this next step option. And after that, within the next 24 hours, your phone number will be unbanned from WhatsApp. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.